Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Studio Sketchbook. Today I'm starting with something a little different. I want to show you my handmade flipbook collection. Most of these flipbooks were made years ago, and recently I've completely fallen back in love with this hobby. Flipbooks are small, simple and incredibly satisfying to make. Each one of these is handmade and printed to Web Studio Sketchbook. They are tiny animations you can actually hold in your hands, and I love how nostalgic they feel. But today, we're not just looking at flipbooks. I'm going to make a brand new Christmas flipbook, and I have a little surprise for you later. Before we start cutting paper, I want to explain something. My flipbooks aren't drawn frame by frame like traditional animators do. Instead, I design everything digitally. I draw the artwork and cover in Adobe Illustrator, create the animation in Adobe Animate, export it as an animated GIF, and then import it into Flipbook Maker. And here's how I import the animation into Flipbook Maker and export it as a PDF. This PDF can be opened by any standard PDF reader. Now let's talk about materials. For the flip cards, I'm using 160 gram A4 paper, but thinner paper also works. For the cover, I use 200 gram glossy photo paper. The colors really pop. I'll also be using holographic film for extra Christmas sparkle. Regular hobby glue, a cutting mat, a metal ruler and a hobby knife. To bind the flipbook, I use transparent orthodontic elastic bands. They are very strong. And black elastic bands to hold everything together while drying. Here's another flipbook where I use holographic film on the cover. I love the effect. And now, let's start assembling our Christmas flipbook. You can find a free downloadable PDF on my website with all the flip cards and the cover. This flipbook is my Christmas gift to you. Now we'll start cutting the flip cards. This takes a while, so I'll speed things up a bit. You could use a guillotine, but I prefer cutting by hand. I feel I have more control. All the cards are cut. I tap them on the table to line them up evenly, then bind them using two transparent elastic bands, just in case one snaps over time. Now it's time for the cover. I cut it from thicker paper. This printable is also included in the free download. Again, yes, it's completely free. I emboss the folds where the spine will be, then carefully apply the holographic film. I absolutely love how festive this looks. Any excess film gets folded to the inside, it won't be visible later. Before gluing, I test fit everything. Then I glue the inside of the back cover, the spine and part of the front cover. I secure it with black elastic bands and let it dry for a few hours. And now a little surprise. I found the golden ticket. This insert is also included in the printable PDF. And that's it, all done. Look how cute this Christmas Oompa Loompa flipbook turned out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and Merry Christmas!